Hey everyone, this is Tamil here. Today we are setting the record straight and diving deep into the brand new Poco F6. This phone promises a flagship level performance at a mid-range price. But it's all sunshine and rainbows? Let's find out. Let's start with the unboxing. It's a typical Poco box with black and yellow colors. In the back side they highlighted the specs. In the top they mentioned the storage variant. Let's cut the seal and look what's inside. Inside there is a small insert with a SIM ejector and user manual. And Poco include a back silicone case. Next up, uncover the phone. Let's peel the stickers off. So boot it on and the case fits perfectly with the phone. And next up there is an 120W charging brick and a type A to type C cable. First up, starting with the display and build. Now Poco has cut some corners here. It's a plastic back which feels a bit cheap compared to other competitors with glass build. It's lightweight at 179 grams but doesn't scream premium. Colors are pretty standard, titanium and black variants. Now moving to the display, this is where the Poco F6 shines. We are looking at a gorgeous 6.67 inch 1.5K AMOLED panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Content looks stunning and the peak brightness is crazy. 1200 nits in normal mode and whooping 2400 nits in boost mode. Plus Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support makes your movies and games pop. For protection you get the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Don't worry about the splashes. It's protected by IP64 water resistant. Alright, let's talk about the powerhouse inside. This phone packs the latest Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, a beast for the price. In my test, it scores around 1.45 million plus on Under 2. It's a great score in the segment. Thanks to the powerful GPU and a super responsive 240Hz touch sampling rate, which can be boosted to a mind-blowing 480Hz. Next, coming to the battery life. This is a solid 5000 mAh battery inside, which translates around 5 to 6 hours screen on time in my usage. In the box, you get 120W charging brick, but the phone supports only 90 watts. 0 to 100 in 45 minutes. Super impressive. Now, the cameras. This is where things get a little tricky. The main 50 megapixel sensor with OIS takes a good photo in good lighting condition, but the 8MP ultra-wide sensor feels like a bit of an afterthought. Low on details and lacks megapixel count. Not that impressive. Here is the good news. The main 50 megapixel camera with OIS now supports 4K video recording at both 60 and 30 fps. OIS ensures your footage remains stable even when you are on move. The 20 megapixel front-facing camera captures a natural-looking selfies, but the video is limited at 1080p 60 fps. Next up, the software support. The phone runs HyperOS on top of Android 14. Poco promises 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches, which is decent for a mid-ranger. Be aware that HyperOS comes with pre-installed bloatware apps. Here are some special Poco F6 features. They include NFC and also MIUI dialer. It allows you to call record without informing the information you are recording. And as usual, IR blaster for controlling your IR devices like TVs. Let's come to the conclusion. So, is the Poco F6 is a good buy? Absolutely. It offers an incredible performance for the price and an amazing display and super fast charging. The base variant starts with the 8 plus 256GB. It's a very reasonable for 30k. However, the plastic build and underwhelming ultra-wide camera might hold you back. Power users and content creators on a budget will love this phone. If you want raw power, a stunning display, a long battery life at budget friendly price, the Poco F6 is a great option. If you are a camera buff or crave for a premium feel, you might want to look anywhere else. So that's all my opinion. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.